This is an introduction to my app, Map-O-Matic. I'll show you the basics of its usage. Here it is. And basically what it is you create maps with this app. And there's various ways of doing that we'll get into later. But for now, I'll just show you the basics of how it works. You've got the file menu where you can load an existing map. Of course, you have to create the maps before there's going to be anything there. You can either create it from a file, which has to be formatted in a specific way, providing either the coordinates or the address for each location. You can create it manually, a map, by selecting this option, which you provide the name of the map and then the locations to the map from this menu item. Then you can remove when you feel you need to remove a location. You can update it if you want to add more information about it or change information about it. You can go the other direction and convert an existing map to a text file, or you can remove an entire map. And of course, you can exit the program. Here you can change the zoom level. Like it starts out showing Yosemite Village at a certain level, you can change it to go further out or further in. And the map style also, there's three possibilities. There's the aerial, which doesn't have any written information on it. You got what it started off with, the aerial with the names of places and streets and so on. And then you've got the road map style. And the help shows just basic information about my maps, that kind of thing. Also, you can copy the map to the clipboard, whatever it's currently displaying. You can copy it to the clipboard, the computer's clipboard, and then paste it into your image program, Paint or Paint.net or whatever you use for that. So I'll just show you right now loading an existing map. What that looks like, I've got several, of course. So I'm presented with this dialog, load existing map, with the list of the maps. And let's pick, say, Eagles birthplaces. This is where people in the band, the Eagles, were born. You would think maybe they were all in the same general area, but not the case. All over the country. You can provide information that will display when you hover over a place too. For example, it's Randy Meisner's birthplace, Scotts Bluff, Nebraska. And it shows the coordinates, latitude and longitude, some other information, whatever you want to put there is what will display when you hover over location. So we got people all the way from Oakland, Timothy B. Schmidt, to Jacksonville, Florida, Don Felder, up to Minnesota, Bernie Ledden. And then we got in Detroit, Michigan, also Glenn Fry, and other people, other members of the bands all throughout the country. And then again, you can change the map style anytime you want, or the zoom level. You can also, if you have a mouse with a wheel, you can zoom in or out using the mouse wheel also, and go all the way out to the world map, or you can go in as far as you want to go to. In this case, you might not see a whole lot, but that just gives you an example of a few of the things you can do. In further videos, I'll go into specifics of how to do these various things, but that's all for this one.